Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Mandy. Thank you so much for being here. If you are new, welcome. I hope that you'll stick around, hit that red subscribe button, and become part of our family. So if you've been following, we're kind of putting all the boxes together and unboxing them, you know, with their like boxes so that we can get caught up from this crazy month of May for me. So in this video, we are doing the two Ipsy boxes, bag and box, that I have from the month of May. Enzo is joining us, so hopefully he will be a good boy in this video. And let's just jump right into it. So we'll start off with the bag first and see what is, oh my goodness, in this. And Enzo wants to help and see what's in there. What's in there, buddy? You see something good? Let's see. We have a bag. We have a bag. All right. Come on, buddy. He doesn't want to let go. Can I have this? All right. So we have a pink and pink bag. So it's like a light pink and dark pink. It's really slippery, pleathery, gold. Little thing here, zipper. And do we have products in here? We do. All right, so the month of May is Flower Power. The brightest blooms come after the storm, and now it's time to thrive. That's really ironic for the month that I've had. Go wild with color, flex your glowy skin, know how, and let your show-stopping beauty come alive. Okay, so we'll go through this pretty quickly. First, we have something from Hey Honey. It is the Boosted Up Honey Rich Moisturizer. Full size of this would be $52. So that's cool. Second item is, did you guys just see him fall? Let me rescue my bird real quick. It's okay, buddy. What happened? Did you fall? All right, get back up here. This is from the Balm. Okay. So this is a tinted moisturizer. Okay. And number 14, full size would be $24. I'm interested in this, so I'll definitely be trying that out. Probably get three times with it. This is from Gold Faden MD. It is the Pure Start Detoxifying Facial Cleanser. Full size would be $35. And two items left. We have, what is this? This is Glow on the 5th. Bye Bye Puffy Eyes. And it is, the full size would be $24. And then the last item in here is Basic Beauty, and it is a translucent primer. Full size would be $16. So there is the Glam bag for the month of May. Let's get those back in there so that they're not all over the place. Where is my bird? No, we're not chewing on Pat McGrath. We don't do that, buddy. No, we don't chew on Pat McGrath or Natasha Denona. We don't do that. It's very expensive. Okay. So now we will open up the Glam Bag X. If he does not sit still. So the Glam Bag X, I believe, is 50. Is it 50 or $55? It comes, what, 4 times a year, and one of the Kardashians was the people this time around. Where are you at now? Okay, I am so sorry. He is going to be distracting us. Can you be a good boy? I know, it's so exciting, all these lights. Yeah, did you say hi to everybody, Enzo? See, we already did that, Mommy. So the last video, he actually sat behind my neck and was nuzzled up the whole time. And now this video, he wants to be a brat, but that's okay. He's just a little baby, and he's allowed to, but he's not allowed to chew on my Natasha Denona. No, you're not allowed. No. No. And he's trying to get back over there. So hopefully he will stay put. All right. And he's not going to stay put. So here is what the inside of the box looks like. I'm going to move that over here. Grab the bird again. No, Enzo. Come on. Stop being a brat. Stop it. If I give you some treats, will you stay? Huh? If I give you some treats, will you stay? Okay, let's see if I give him some treats, if he will just chill out for a second so we can get into this box and maybe change his mind on wanting to go over there. So right here, buddy. There you go. All right, so he's occupied for a second. Trust me, he'll go through that very quickly. So this says Glam Bag X, created by Khloe Kardashian, issue number 2. So here is what the magazine looks like. And then inside we should have a little bit about our products in here. I did enjoy the last Glam Bag X, so hopefully this one's pretty good too. The first product that I see, I'm super excited about. I knew it was going to be in here, so I mean, I'm not that excited, but I mean, this is awesome that it's in here. And this is from Olaplex. So let's see if I can actually find it in here so I can read about it, and then that way I can give you a little bit of a background. So this is the number 0 intensive bond building treatment, valued at $28. And it says, beloved by hair pros, this at-home treatment rebuilds broken bonds to give strands their strength back. So very excited for that. Moving on, we have Aceology overnight lip mask. So this $39 is valued at $39. This overnight oil infused lip balm is the ultimate beauty sleep essential that nourishes while you snooze. So I actually just went through my lip balm, so I'll try that out. But you know, we really have this I hope is like a freebie, blemish patch. No, it's not. There are 36 patches in here, and I don't see this anywhere on my little magazine thing, so I really can't tell you anything about it. But from Hanhu, I guess. So there's that. I mean, blemishes are a thing, and it's nice to have something to put on them. This is from Rodial. It is Pink Diamond Cleansing Balm. Lift and Illuminate. Where might you be at? You might not be on here. I don't like that not all the things are on here. Yeah, see, this is not... Oh, he just put his toe on the little tiny fan that I have. Are you all right, buddy? Did that get you? Did it get your toe? Did it get your toe? I have a little baby fan, like a little tiny little fan down here. I don't know if he actually got his toe or not. I hope not, because it's metal. But anyway, it shows it here in the picture, but I don't see it anywhere here. Oh, here it is. Okay. So it's valued at $59. Oh, and by the way, I really thought we were getting this Charlotte Tilbury moisturizer from the way that they were advertising it. And there went the fan. It did not come in everybody's box. So yeah, that kind of stinks. Sorry about that. Like I said, the bird is distracting. I don't know where I left off. I had to get up and go get him some seed that he should not be eating. But it's to try to keep him calm. So anyway, $59. It's a cleansing balm at night. Cleansing balms at night are an absolute must for heavy makeup. This one easily dissolves your glam with a luxe melting formula. Plus, it's infused with vitamin E, sweet almond oil, and rice germ oil to nourish while you cleanse. And I guess this is one of her picks. But I really wanted that Charlotte Tilbury. Like, really, really wanted that. And that was so misleading. I would love to know if anybody got one of those. This I'm excited for, though. I didn't even know this was in here. Okay, so this is Korres Foaming Cream Cleanser. If you watch my empties videos, this was in one of them. I had like a sample size and I said that I loved it and I would purchase it if I, you know, needed a cleanser or whatever. So it's really cool to actually have this. Like, I'm excited. Like, this is actually exciting. Not as exciting as the Charlotte Tilbury, but it is exciting. And is it in the magazine? I don't see it. I know it's probably like in the $20-some range because I've looked it up. I don't remember, but I do know that this was a really good cleanser and I'm excited. Actually, I'm in need of, like, well, I'm not in need. I have plenty of cleansers, but I just am getting ready to finish the one that I'm using. So that'll be going in next. So now we have a Tula Instant Facial Skin Reviving Treatment Pads. This is one pad. I think this is the one that I got the email for. I got an email from Ipsy about like advertising 2 pads but only getting 1, and then they gave me $6 credit for like a to order something in their store. Who knows? Maybe this was an add-on. I hope this was an it has to be. There's no way that this would be in the Glam Bag Plus. Has to be an add-on. Has to be, right? And so is this. I'm pretty sure. Absolutely. Because they're both sample sizes. So this is the Olaplex number 3, and this is the Repairs and Strengthens. And this is the prior one. Used before shampooing. It's not a conditioner. This goes on before you shampoo. But yes, those are definitely add-ons. All right, moving on. We have a product from 111 Skin, which is one of her picks, which this is like the category that you could have got the Charlotte Tilbury moisturizer. I'd rather have the moisturizer because I'm not going to use this most likely. So this is valued at $135, and it says, this is Chloe's secret weapon for skin that looks lit from within. It contains rose water and niacinamide to brighten skin, hydrating hyaluronic acid to plump, and light reflecting gold to instantly illuminate your complexion. I think their products are completely overpriced. That's just my opinion, but I think they are. Next item, this is kind of exciting to see. Oh, look, there's the cap for the Olaplex that's just chilling in there. This is from Tower 28. It is in cashew. I think I just actually got this. Pretty sure this is the color that I got, but this is really nice, and I'm sure I'll go through it. So this is a Shine On Milky Lip Jelly for $14. It is a vegan, cruelty-free, derm-tested gloss made with plant-based ingredients to nourish dry lips and give them a glossy finish without feeling sticky. And it is that color that you see right there. It is really pretty, and I do like it a lot. All right, this little box is Reiki Heart Ipsy. So I believe this is a mirror. I'm pretty sure this is. The bird is making a mess. If you guys could see what he's doing down here, I'm telling you, I don't know that I'm going to be able to have him in future videos because he is so distracting. Like, seriously, like he is, let me just show you if I can, making a complete mess down here in this little cap of seeds. He's like, Mom, why'd you pick me up? All right. So, how does this thing open? Okay. Oh. Okay. This is interesting. This is the same, like, the thing as the bag for that we just opened up. The same pattern. And it has, like, the cords and stuff down here. And then there's the mirror, and it lights up. So let me just tell you what it says here about it. So it's $60, and it says this mirror is a must for makeup enthusiasts on the go. By the way, designed with a collab with Chloe. So there is what it looks like right there. The palette in here is a palette that I already own, so I will make sure that this goes to a good home, or it'll go in a future giveaway, something. But it is from Patrick Ta, and it is the One Size palette. I said Patrick Star, and it is the Visionary eyeshadow palette, valued at $42. Whatever you want, whatever look you want, this palette has got you covered. It's filled with influencers Patrick Starr's favorite shades, from cobalt to rose gold, and Chloe happens to love them all too. And here is what the palette looks like. Like I said, I own it, and I haven't even tried it yet, which I probably shouldn't admit to that, but it's the truth. All right, last item. I thought I got the little however you say that thing. I'm almost positive that like I picked that, and it's not in here. It's definitely on the pictures. He is making a mess. Where did I see it? Yeah, it's definitely here. Like, it's on the pictures. And it's the Rose Quartz Gosh, I don't know how to say that, but I'm pretty sure I asked for that. I'm gonna have to go back and look. But we do have a product from Anastasia. It's the brow pen. It is in soft brown. I own this. I love it, so I'm not mad at having another one. But does it even have anything written here about it? Yes, $22, and it says, bold brows are a Chloe signature, and this pen makes it easy. The superfine tip helps create realistic looking brow hairs so you can add detail, definition, and dimensions to your arches. So let's recap really quickly. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I guess we do have 10 full-size items. I don't know. Did you guys get the plus, the X, not the plus, the Ipsy Glam Bag X this month? What did you guys think? I'll definitely go back and look and see if I got the stone. If I didn't get it, here he comes. If I didn't get it in this, I know I picked it up somewhere, so I don't know, we'll see. But anyway, thank you guys so much for being here. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment down below. Have a fantastic day, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.